Good morning, it's Jilly Cube from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Thank you for joining me. I am going to do a little flip and lip with some leftover paints to see what I come out with. I want to especially thank you for all your lovely comments of recently, and I do appreciate each and every one of you. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. It helps me and it's absolutely free. Free. What I want to show you, these are leftover paints that I mixed last week, and they are the Boom Gel stain. So they're just very few colours left. So I'm going to do a flip cut, but through a negative space, just with the gold. I have the black and I have a little bit of the violet left. The two have got just a little bit of the Boom Cell activator in them. So this particular Boom Gel paint is made to create a bloom effect, but without having to put all the ingredients in it. So we will see. I have what this little experiment comes up with. This is just white Mont Studio acrylics mixed with the clear PVA and glue, and there's no silicone in this, so that's all good. Hubby's come in. Are you okay? Do you want me to talk to you a minute or anything? Yeah. Yep. He's busy doing a little bit of building work on our house, so keeps him out of trouble for today anyway. Yeah, John was really good when the dog was having the puppies, like helping me and with the pups and things, so really glad about that. So yes, our puppies are doing absolutely wonderfully. We can't Bindy's an excellent mother, and we're just so excited with these 9 little puppies. We just keep spending our time with them, just staring at them, and they're obviously not too interesting at the moment because they're not really doing much but feeding off their mom. But it was just lovely, to see such new life, and it's beautiful. So we have all so many inquiries about them, which is really lovely. And where we live, there's a lot of country people, so they have properties and they want, like the Australian Shepherd is a herding dog, but they're not as crazy as Border Collies. They're much more laid back. Okay, so that was just the white, nothing else in it. What I want to do with the little Boom Gel is I've just got the tiny little shot glasses, they call it, that you tequila, I don't know, little shot glasses, not that and I'm going to I just want to do a little flip on negative space from a shot glass. So I'm putting the gold, which is the Boom Gel, and the violet. Here's some squeaking out there. That's from the puppies. So cute. Black. And I'll go back to the gold. So it'll be interesting to see how this, being the Boom Gel, this comes out like. So okie doke. Do I just... Yeah, I need a little bit of card. Maybe that will do, or maybe it won't. Okay, we'll see. This is not going to work. Oh, look at those cells already. Oh my goodness. I'm just going to thin this white down just with plain old water. I just want to pour some around that, so it kind of slips around the canvas easily. So try and pour the white around it. See how it goes. Kind of burying it a bit, isn't it? Okay. Oh, that is so lovely. So the flip and lip, or lift and I don't know what you call them. I'm not up with all the names. Sorry. But look at how that is just, wow, 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 wow. Sometimes simple is best, isn't it? But this is pretty runny. Probably now, since I went and did that with the white, that might not have been such a good idea, but you know, you've got to try. Got to experiment. But look at that, the colours with that gold and that deep violet. Pretty stunning. Oh my goodness. Not much negative space. I probably needed less than that. I think this is a little bit runny. I probably should not have added that runny white if you were doing it. Don't do what I did. Oh. But wow, okay. It's pretty nice anyway. And just finger pop in your very edges, so don't stress about the edges because they're nothing that you can't fix with the runoff that from your, you know, and just finger pop it, looks absolutely fine. Okay. See if I get the last little bit of purple out of there, and sort of going straight away. Look, the little cells come straight out of these strands. Beautiful. Oh, so exciting. So nice when you find something that you know that excites you when you do it. It's like so worthwhile. All the bad pause because when you get something that looks, oh, I'm actually loving that. I love it. Wow. Oh, look at that. Oh, let me know what you think. I'm loving it. It's just very simple. That one's very easy for you to do. And again, it was just out of leftover paints, which I'd mix those paints up with the boom gel. Well, the boom gel was just mixed with a little bit of the cell booster. Got so many ideas now to do with this boom gel, seeing how it reacts in other paints as well. So other ideas to do with it. Look how you've only got to put it in and it just, those gorgeous sort of cells come up with it. I'll see how we go with just a little bit of heat on it. Probably not required. Takes that off. Oh, look at that reaction. Holy dooly. That was one teeny weeny bit of heat. Oh, no more. Okay. It's just, oh my goodness, look at that. I'm going to just turn this overhead light because I think it dulls down my colours. I'm not sure. Oh, look at this. I love it. I love it. Let me know what you think, guys. That's going to be a whole different use now with that, like putting that over. Oh, I've got some ideas running through my head already for that. Look at that. Look at the lace effect you get without any effort whatsoever. Brilliant, brilliant. Let me know what you think. I will put some photos on of the dried version at the end, and I will also add my Nana joke, and you can roll your eyes all you like. So thank you so much for joining me, and I hope that you're all going really well. And remember to keep yourself busy and do something that is good for your mental health, whether it be walking, arting, or cleaning, or swimming or whatever, just do something that is good for your mental health. So until next time, bye for now. Okay, my Nana joke for today. What do you call a dog with dough around its face? Inbred. Oh my goodness, yes, that's another eye roller. Okay, what excuse did the dog give to his teacher? I ate my homework. Oh my goodness. Yeah, they're bad. Okay, wait for some puppy cuteness photos. They're about to come. And thank you again so much for your lovely comments and for joining me on my art journey. And now my puppy journey. Look at these cute babies. Oh my goodness, they look like little teeny tiny hamsters. They are so beautiful. Okay, bye for now.